We're here to help, and we do not mind. If you hit this button here, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 4, it starts recording, and you're doing your video. If you hit this button again, it's going to stop, go to a standby of 15 minutes. To wake the camera up and record again, all you do is hit the top shutter button. It should instantly come on, like so. When you hit the shutter button again, it should stop recording. Interrupt the standby by tapping the back screen or the front screen if you have the front screen unlocked. Now, if your camera is not doing exactly what I shown, then you need to get with DJI, and they will help you out and try to fix the issue online for you. If you swipe down, you go to the cog gear. I'm looking at the screen of my camera, not the front screen. Why? Because I don't see what's on the back screen. You see what is called snapshot. If you open up snapshot, it's going to have all the features of the modes that you want, even your custom. The custom should be in there somewhere. Please forgive me if I made a mistake. Now, if I hit the side mode button over here, it's going to swipe through all those settings, features I set up. Now, if I want to go to a custom, I swipe down. You see that little human? I click on it. And when I click on it, it opens up to a custom file. And then when I do that side button, the custom's going to be in there. So say I like low light shots and I want to set my camera up to a specific setting. That's where the custom file comes into play. Thanks to DJI, we don't know what C1, C2, C3 are. We know what a word like night is, day is, bike is, things like that. We're not able to write things down. But that is how you would switch onto the screen. So if you want to switch, all you could do is you could swipe, you could press the side button, but once you do the quick start, it's only a shutter button, nothing more. It's not going to change to any of your settings. I hope this video was helpful to somebody out there. This is firmware version 1.3.